In today's demo, we're going to create some alternate versions of this heading in Oxygen Builder, and we're going to test it to see what gets more clicks. So it's really easy to do. All you need to do is load up Oxygen Builder. So we're editing the main template in this instance, but depending on how you've got your Oxygen setup, you might have a different template. We're going to duplicate this row, and we're just going to try a different call to action here to see if we can drive more clicks to this button. So all we need to do is head over to this header row, and we'll assign this to a test. So we'll jump over and create a test. This one we'll call Oxy Header Test. So this is an on-page element test because we're not just picking two different pages to test. You want to choose an on-page element. The conversion goal will be when someone heads over to the Contact Us page. So when they visit the contact page, we'll consider that a conversion. There's lots of ways that you could do this. You could trigger on element click of anything in the header, something like that. You could do it with JavaScript, but the easiest one is just choosing the page. So we'll say the Contact Us page. Once they get to that page, they have converted. Now you might say, what if they don't even click anything in the header and they end up on the Contact Us page? And that's the joy of split testing and statistics, is if that does happen, on average it'll happen evenly for both variations, so it will cancel itself out. We use statistics to figure out when there is relevance, and you'll know whether or not this heading being different will change the number of people ending up on the Contact Us page. Okay, now we've created the test. We just go back here to this header row, and we'll scroll down here to test name, Oxy Header. Variation name, this is the default one, so we'll call it default. All right, now we'll duplicate the heading, and we'll make our changes here. So let's just be real landing page sort of people. We'll get rid of that. We'll change this button. This goes to the contact page. All right, text link. There we go. So we've created our different versions. Now we've got to make sure each row has its own variation name. We'll just call it new. So now we've got the default and the new row. We'll just hit save and head back to the front end. All right, so now we've got a very ugly dev site here. Let's jump to it incognito and see what we get. We've got the second variation there. Do it again. And there you see the other version. We'll head over to the contact page to fire that conversion. Now on any page that has a test running, which will be pretty much every page now, you can just click on ABsplit Test, Oxy Header, and check it out. Now you're viewing your page. You can see some results starting to come in. Far too early to know. So that is how you test site-wide elements and view them in ABsplit Test.